long. Or should I say, key's very long. Okay, got to cut a key for a customer. What I'm doing first, because I've only got 2 blanks, I'm just checking the calibration. So I'll put 2 blanks in, and it's just touching. So that should be good enough. So check. Yeah, only just touching. That should be good enough. So the keys I'm cutting today is one of these, which has a bullet ward in there. So the great thing about this machine, it does bullet wards as well. So let's get this put in the machine. Right, tell you what, take it off the key ring, much easier. Cool, if I can. There we go. Right. So okay, always put the back bits on, because that levels it up. So the bow of the key will level up a bit. It's a lot to take off, so some people get hacksaw and hacksaw it off. I'm just going to go for a slow cut to cut it off. So oh, it's just come out. That's it. It's probably better to use a hacksaw. It doesn't sound very nice. Oh, too much too soon. It's going to go across the whole top. Oh jeez, doesn't like it at all. Yeah, here. So we'll lock this out now. Yeah. So when I cut key, I'm just looking at this mainly and just tracing around the key. Turns out I need a new blade. Okay, that's that. Right, let's cut the other one down. I do hate these old, this is a 3 gauge, that's huge. I do hate these old bitted keys, these big chunky things. Right. Actually, no, I'm going to do it this level and just take it down all the way along. Now I'm looking at this one. I'm not looking at this. Just want to cut it down. Now look at this one. We're getting closer. Right. I want to stop there because I like cutting from the shoulder across. The reason why, if it does vibrate across slightly, when I'm pushing, it will push the key. The shoulder will go push against the jaws, so it won't overshoot. Where if I'm pushing this way, it could slide back and knock out the position of the key. If that makes sense. So by cutting this way, it's pushing that, because I'm pushing this operation, that shoulder's hitting the jaw harder. So if there is going to be a slip, it won't slip because it's going into the jaw. If I come this way, it's more likely to vibrate out. I'm not talking great deals, I'm talking enough to maybe start giving you horrible keys. What's that? Okay, now since you've got the bullet ward, so this is the bullet ward, so I need this, otherwise the key's not going to go into the lock. So what you can do with this one, you can put this in the opposite way, clamp it up. So again, one needs a bit of a haircut. I need a file. Let's get rid of that lot. Okay, so I'm pushing up against the shoulder. There's like an inner shoulder inside there, but the important thing is trying to get the keys level. Okay, then what you do, this bit here, you undo Allen key, loosen that off, and that will unscrew. If it's got a flat spot there, the rest is rounded. See, flat spot, or flat spot, rounded, because it will go in this way as well. So it's this way or this way. That's in position. You just wind it back. Just give it a little tweak. I mean, that's just stopping your vibration and become loose. Then you move this across, and now you're using this cutter. Okay. So All I'll do is just touch that on there. Okay, so now with this going this way, I don't want to pull it in this way because it'll probably whip it across, so I'm going to go against the cut, if you see what I mean. So let's turn it on. So when I put this in the groove, just gently, because I don't want to cut this in half, because I've done that before. There we go. Right. Turn it off. And there is the bullet wood all cut out. Hopefully it will go in. Again, I don't want to go too deep on the bullet wood because I don't want the key snapping off. So put this in. Press the top of the shoulder. Do it up. Slide it back along. Turn on. Let's give it a try. When it goes out, let's see, it pulls it. And if I go from here and pull it, it's a better cutting action. There we go. Why does that look wonky? Let's put it back in again. Yep. It's like it's sloping. Because yeah, that's what I've done. I've accidentally cut it, so I've probably come in here and pushed down and cut that, so it's not actually part of it. So I definitely don't want to go into that. And then, so if you haven't got a key horse, you can just set your vise up, just back slightly, so it sits on it like this. Again, the key's a bit long. What should I say? The key's very long. It's going to look a bit funky. Tell you what, let's get an axle. Yes, it's mine, you're not having it. Oh, gold dust now they are. Well, the blades anyway. Why is this so twisted? God. Bloody thing. I'll do. think my vise needs tightening up. There's one. Oh, blade is rubbish. Look how twisted it is. Or the nice way of doing it is make yourself a key horse. There you go. Or you can buy a nice key horse. It would be nice to have a nice key horse. Actually, don't want to hold that, might snap it. Right, get rid of the sharp edges. Right, give it a little buff. Right, that's it. 2 new keys, cut and put through in it. A little bit of. That's it. All gone. Right. Cheers. Thanks for watching.